Hey you guys, this is Graffiti Kicks. I'm here with a fresh pair of Air Force 1's. I'm actually doing these shoes for a friend of a friend. This will be my first video customizing shoes. I started this custom off by drawing the outline of this on a piece of paper and then kind of mimicking what I drew on the paper onto the shoe in pencil. And then I started to paint my design onto the shoe. This custom actually took me about 6 hours to do. It took me about 2 hours to sketch it out and actually get it onto the shoe, as well as masking the shoe off. And it took me about another 4 hours to actually get the paint on there and get the design exactly how I wanted. But overall, I'm happy how this came out. I hope you guys like it. Here's a time lapse of the video. If you like this type of content, like, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what kind of content you would like to see from me. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys at the end.
It's always hard for me. I get hooked on like the same way of doing it.
I probably broke your heart the moment we met. Don't you understand the way I move is not a flex? It's how I move, baby girl, I take steps. Tiptoe, it's how you know. Take my time. Everything's fine on my side. Everything's fine. Everything's fine on my side. You don't gotta worry, I'll be fine. Look at all the space. I've been out of space. I can tell that you mine by the look up on your face. I've been looking like I fell deep inside a swimming pool. Sometimes my emotions and thoughts don't get to come through. So I stay to myself. Yeah, I stay to myself. I do it for my mental health. Don't know what else to do. Everything's fine on my side. Everything's fine. Everything's fine on my side. You don't gotta worry, I'll be fine. Shorty say she wanna fuck with us, cause we lit as fuck. Toss her, make it jump. I ain't from there, but they show me love. Crazy how I'm clean, but I still made it out the fucking mud. I'm fired up, smoking purple runs, it got me high as fuck. All these fucking backwards I've been smoking got me choking up. I don't do no drama, hit my line when you two broken up. That's how I go, I've been soaking game. I've been on the west, I'm trying to grow. Soaking all this game because this life a test. I keep a couple bitches on the side. Please don't come to me and waste my time. I've been out west, shit be like girls gone wild. I just beat her down and go to trial. I've been out west, I'm a talking less, we talking checks. I've been out west, she be like girls gone wild. I just beat her down and go to trial. I've been out, I done made a couple bad mistakes, but no, I made it right, out of sight. I ain't even take off, I'm already high. I've been working hard for what I want, ain't even break a sweat. I want all my diamonds to be Quavo, VV's Offset. Take a peek, take a flick, it lasts longer. I've been on the west where all the guys stronger. Shorty pop a perky, wanna fuck me longer. Should I stay or should I go? The type of shit I ponder. I keep a couple bitches on the side. Please don't come to me and waste my time. I've been out west, she be like girls gone wild. I just beat her down and go to trial. I've been out west.
Well, here's the final product. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have more content on the way.